You see, my window is just drenched. My curtain here is drenched. Reno. I was just going to do a Reno video. I haven't done one in forever. What is today? June 1st, 2023. Woohoo! Man, you should have seen it before. So in like in a matter of seconds, I had my window wide open. And I was out in the garden. Yay! And then all of a sudden this storm came up. I knew it was coming. And I said, oh, please rain. And it did. Holy smokes, it was crazy. You can just hear the thunder and lightning now. I love it. I love it. My favorite time of the year. Can you hear that? Thunder beings. They're out and about. Man, we needed a good soaking. Goodness, I don't believe it. I pray the heck we get all this rain up north to put down some of the fires. Oh my goodness. Now this Mother Earth needed a good cleansing. Now she needs a good soaking. Amazing. Oh, anyways, if you look at like that, let me see, I'll go back this way. Like this thing was. Oh, there it comes again. There it comes again. There it comes again. The rain. Oh my goodness. See over there? Well, you can barely see down there now, right? Well, that's what it was like up here when I had to get up and close the window. I pushed out my window screen and got the floor wet, got my curtain soaking wet. Yeah, that was just like totally, wow. It was. I think I have to dry out my curtain now. Let it flap in the wind. Anyway, my Reno. Back to my Reno video. Oh, see if I can get out here. Well, there it is. All planted. I cleaned out, I don't know if you can see that, down there. Boop, raspberry bushes. Veggies, potatoes, corn. Let me see. If I can tell you where they are, I can zoom in. See if you can see it. Okay, right there in the corner. Right up there. My blueberry bushes and then my raspberry bushes. Cleaning them out. And the canes, they're spread from, I think there's only maybe two plants. But yeah, they are doing amazing. Was out there weeding. Thanks to Mosham Creason. He came along and helped rake and plant my pumpkins way up there. And then watermelon right there and right there. And I think he replanted a couple of potatoes that I had kind of dug up when I was hoeing around today. Yeah, and let's see, there's back, oops, you can't, oh, my finger's in the way. That's catching my finger. Back there, at the tip of my fingers, that's all corn. And then at the side here, whoops, right there, is, oh, I forget. Oh, peas. There's a couple of rows of peas all along the side and broccoli. There is potatoes. There's corn. Corn is way back there, like I said. Right there. Oh no, watermelon, watermelon, pumpkin, corn, corn. And the bottom of my finger there, potatoes. And then this side, broccoli, peas. Oh, and I got a cramp in my finger. Oh, ugh. Serves me right for holing around out there. Eh? Oh yeah, cramp. And then we have, oh, I said peas, carrots, a couple of rows of carrots. I don't know if we got the onions in, or my garlic. Oh, my garlic was up on the white raised garden bed. At the other end. Corn. Oh, I said yeah. Peas, carrots, broccoli, more potatoes. Back to the raspberry bush, and then up front, you can't see. Man, we actually got rain this year and grass. I've got to get my. Looks really nice. It's gonna look awesome once I get my lawnmower out and working. Everything's turning nice and green from this rain. I love it, I love it, I love it. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Gotta clean up the yard. Yard cleanup time. Trim a few more branches and trees. Some bushes. Clean that out. Oh, there we go. There's the rocks. Oh, I fixed Oscar the Grouch. I put him back on his stand. Now let's see what we got here. Oh, my steps, not too bad. I cleaned up underneath all the steps. Something else clean, and then our grass, sort of. My bulbs. Oh, there's a sprinkler. That's what I was looking for. Oh well, I don't need it now. I knew it as soon as I started watering my garden. But yeah. So that's that, and the yard's pretty darn well clean. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.